Come test drive the 2017 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, bucket seats, passenger airbag, day-night rear view mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.